Are you feeling overwhelmed by the constant barrage of digital distractions in today's fast-paced world? Imagine a life where you have the power to master your perception, enhance productivity, and find inner peace amidst the chaos. In this video, we'll explore the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and unveil practical strategies to navigate the digital age with clarity and purpose. Stay tuned to discover how you can unlock the secrets to resilience, focus, and fulfillment in a world filled with endless distractions. Let's embark on a journey together towards a more balanced and meaningful way of living. Before we begin, challenge yourself to stand out from the crowd and prove your commitment by watching the entire video without skipping any parts to maximize its value. Let us waste no time and jump straight in and discover the secret formulas for tuning out the noise of modern life. 1. Mastering perception. In the journey of mastering perception, Stoicism offers a profound insight. External events hold no inherent power over us. Whether it's a challenging situation or a pleasant encounter, the event itself is neutral. What truly shapes our experience is our interpretation of these events. By understanding this fundamental principle, we gain the power to control our reactions and emotions, even in the face of adversity. Instead of being at the mercy of external circumstances, we can choose how we perceive and respond to them, empowering us to navigate life's ups and downs with greater resilience and clarity. Stoicism teaches us that our interpretations of events are shaped by our beliefs, values, and past experiences. By recognizing this, we can cultivate a more mindful approach to our thoughts and reactions. Rather than automatically reacting to external stimuli, we can pause and reflect on the meaning we assign to them. This practice of introspection allows us to gain insight into our subconscious biases and conditioning, enabling us to make more conscious and intentional choices in how we perceive the world around us. Ultimately, mastering perception is about realizing that our interpretations are within our control. While we may not always have control over external events, we have the power to choose our responses to them. By cultivating a mindset of curiosity, openness, and non-attachment, we can develop a more balanced and resilient outlook on life. As we continue on this journey, we can embrace the wisdom of Stoicism to find greater peace, acceptance, and fulfillment in our daily lives. 2. Power of focus. The power of focus lies at the heart of Stoic philosophy, offering a pathway to heightened productivity and profound satisfaction in our daily endeavors. By honing our ability to concentrate fully on the task at hand, we tap into a reservoir of inner strength and clarity that allows us to achieve our goals with greater efficiency and purpose. In a world inundated with distractions, cultivating this skill becomes paramount for success and fulfillment. Stoicism teaches us to treat each moment as precious, dedicating our full attention to the task before us as if it were the most important thing in the world. By immersing ourselves completely in our work, conversations, or leisure activities, we unlock a state of flow where time seems to stand still, and our actions become effortless and purposeful. This intense focus not only enhances the quality of our output, but also deepens our sense of satisfaction and fulfillment in what we do. To harness the power of focus in our lives, we must first recognize the importance of prioritizing our attention and energy. By deliberately choosing where to direct our focus, we can overcome the pull of distractions and maintain a clear sense of purpose and direction. Practicing mindfulness techniques such as meditation can help sharpen our concentration and train our minds to stay present in the moment. Additionally, establishing routines, setting specific goals, and minimizing external interruptions can create an environment conducive to sustained focus and heightened productivity. As we cultivate this discipline in our daily lives, we unlock the transformative potential of focused attention, paving the way for greater success, fulfillment, and joy. 3. Simplicity of living. The simplicity of living, a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, beckons us to declutter our lives and strip away the excess to uncover what truly matters. In a world overflowing with distractions and obligations, embracing simplicity offers a pathway to clarity, purpose, and inner peace. By streamlining our possessions, commitments, and priorities, we create space to focus on the essential aspects of our lives, fostering a sense of contentment and fulfillment. Stoicism reminds us that true wealth lies not in the abundance of possessions, but in the richness of our experiences and relationships. By adopting a minimalist mindset, we free ourselves from the burden of materialism and consumerism, finding joy in the simple pleasures of life. Cultivating gratitude for what we have and releasing attachment to what we do not allows us to live more authentically, with greater appreciation for the present moment. To embrace the simplicity of living, we must be intentional in our choices and disciplined in our actions. This may involve decluttering our physical spaces, organizing our schedules, and re-evaluating our priorities to align with our values and goals. By letting go of distractions and focusing on what truly matters, we create a life of purpose and meaning, rooted in the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy. As Marcus Aurelius said, treat what you don't have as non-existent. Look at what you have, the things you value most, and think of how much you'd crave them if you didn't have them. But be careful. Don't feel such satisfaction that you start to overvalue them, that it would upset you to lose them. 4. Resilience to digital distractions. In the digital age, where distractions are ubiquitous and incessant, Stoicism offers a powerful antidote: resilience. Stoicism teaches us to face digital distractions not as obstacles, but as opportunities for personal growth and development. By adopting a Stoic mindset, we can cultivate resilience in the face of these distractions, viewing them as challenges to be overcome rather than sources of frustration or anxiety. Instead of allowing ourselves to be swept away by the tide of digital noise, we can use Stoic principles to build inner strength and fortitude, enabling us to stay focused on our goals and priorities amidst the chaos of the online world. One of the key teachings of Stoicism is the concept of focusing on what we can control. While we may not be able to eliminate digital distractions entirely, we can control how we respond to them. Stoicism teaches us to accept the presence of distractions without letting them derail us from our path. By cultivating resilience, we learn to navigate the digital landscape with equanimity, remaining steadfast in our pursuit of excellence despite the challenges we encounter along the way. Ultimately, Stoic resilience empowers us to thrive in the digital age, turning obstacles into opportunities and setbacks into stepping stones for growth. By embracing the Stoic philosophy and practicing resilience in the face of digital distractions, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace and confidence that allows us to live more intentionally and purposefully in an increasingly noisy and distracting world. 5. Mindfulness. Amidst chaos, in the midst of digital chaos, cultivating mindfulness becomes essential for navigating the noise effectively. Mindfulness, a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, involves cultivating present moment awareness and discerning judgment to filter through the barrage of digital stimuli. By embracing mindfulness, we can learn to detach ourselves from the distractions of the online world and focus our attention on what truly matters. To cultivate mindfulness amidst digital chaos, it's important to develop a daily practice of mindfulness meditation. These practices help quiet the mind and bring us back to the present moment, allowing us to observe our thoughts and emotions without getting swept away by them. Additionally, setting aside dedicated time for digital detoxes can provide much-needed respite from the constant barrage of information and stimuli, allowing us to recharge and reconnect with ourselves. By incorporating mindfulness into our daily lives, we can navigate the digital landscape with greater clarity, purpose, and resilience. Mindfulness allows us to approach digital noise with a sense of calm and equanimity, enabling us to make more conscious choices about how we engage with technology. Ultimately, cultivating present moment awareness empowers us to reclaim our attention from the distractions of the online world and live more intentionally in the digital age. 6. Establishing boundaries. Establishing boundaries in the digital age is paramount for maintaining a healthy balance between online engagement and real-world interactions. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of prioritizing face-to-face connections and controlling digital consumption to safeguard our well-being. By setting boundaries, we can mitigate the negative effects of excessive screen time and cultivate more meaningful relationships offline. To prioritize real-world interactions and control digital consumption, it's essential to establish clear guidelines for when and how we engage with technology. This might involve designating specific times of the day for screen-free activities, such as meals with family or outdoor outings with friends. Additionally, practicing digital detoxes on a regular basis can help reset our relationship with technology and prevent burnout from information overload. By prioritizing real-world interactions and setting boundaries around digital consumption, we can cultivate a more balanced and fulfilling life. Stoicism teaches us to value the present moment and appreciate the richness of human connection, reminding us that true fulfillment comes from meaningful experiences and relationships rather than digital distractions. In today's hyper-connected world, establishing boundaries is not only essential for our mental and emotional well-being, but also for fostering deeper connections and living a more intentional life. 7. Cultivating inner calm. Cultivating inner calm amidst the digital noise requires embracing practices of digital solitude and detachment. Stoicism teaches us to find strength and clarity within ourselves, away from the constant barrage of digital distractions. By intentionally disconnecting from screens and creating space for solitude, we can nurture a sense of peace and resilience in our inner world. Digital solitude involves carving out dedicated time away from technology to reconnect with our thoughts, values, and emotions. This could mean taking regular breaks from social media, turning off notifications, or engaging in activities that promote mindfulness, such as meditation or nature walks. By unplugging from the digital realm, we create space for introspection and self-discovery, fostering a deeper connection with ourselves and our surroundings. Similarly, cultivating detachment from digital stimuli allows us to maintain a sense of clarity and perspective amidst the chaos of the online world. Stoic philosophy encourages us to treat external events and digital content as neutral, avoiding emotional attachment or overvaluation. By practicing Stoic detachment, we can free ourselves from the grip of digital distractions and cultivate a sense of inner peace that transcends external circumstances. In essence, by embracing digital solitude and detachment, we unlock the power to find strength and clarity within ourselves, fostering a deeper sense of calm and resilience in our daily lives. 8. Fostering resilience. Establishing boundaries in the digital age is paramount for maintaining a healthy balance between online engagement and real-world interactions. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of prioritizing face-to-face connections and controlling digital consumption to safeguard our well-being. By setting boundaries, we can mitigate the negative effects of excessive screen time and cultivate more meaningful relationships offline. To prioritize real-world interactions and control digital consumption, it's essential to establish clear guidelines for when and how we engage with technology. This might involve designating specific times of the day for screen-free activities, such as meals with family or outdoor outings with friends. Additionally, practicing digital detoxes on a regular basis can help reset our relationship with technology and prevent burnout from information overload. By prioritizing real-world interactions and setting boundaries around digital consumption, we can cultivate a more balanced and fulfilling life. Stoicism teaches us to value the present moment and appreciate the richness of human connection, reminding us that true fulfillment comes from meaningful experiences and relationships rather than digital distractions. In today's hyper-connected world, establishing boundaries is not only essential for our mental and emotional well-being, but also for fostering deeper connections and living a more intentional life. 9. Path to digital moderation. Striving for balance in our digital habits is essential to maintain our well-being and productivity in today's technology-driven world. Stoicism offers valuable insights into achieving digital moderation by encouraging us to use technology intentionally rather than allowing it to control us. To embark on the path to digital moderation, we must first assess our current relationship with technology and identify areas where we may be overindulging or experiencing negative consequences. This self-awareness allows us to make informed decisions about how we engage with digital devices and platforms. Once we've identified areas for improvement, we can begin implementing practical strategies to foster healthier digital habits. This might involve setting limits on screen time, minimizing distractions by disabling notifications, or establishing designated tech-free zones in our homes. Additionally, practicing mindfulness techniques can help us stay present and focused amidst the constant barrage of digital stimuli. By striving for balance in our digital habits and using technology intentionally, we can reclaim control over our attention and time. Stoicism reminds us that our well-being is ultimately determined by how we choose to engage with the world around us, including the digital realm. By embracing digital moderation, we can cultivate a more fulfilling and purposeful life, both online and offline. 10. Cultivating contentment. Cultivating contentment in the digital age is crucial for maintaining our mental and emotional well-being amidst the pervasive culture of comparison fostered by social media and digital platforms. Stoicism offers valuable guidance on how to find fulfillment by embracing self-sufficiency, gratitude, and acceptance. One key aspect of cultivating contentment is embracing self-sufficiency, which involves finding happiness and fulfillment from within, rather than seeking validation or satisfaction from external sources. Stoic philosophy encourages us to recognize our inherent worth and to rely on our own virtues and strengths to find contentment, regardless of external circumstances. Practicing gratitude is another essential component of finding fulfillment amidst digital comparison. By focusing on the things we have, rather than fixating on what we lack, we can cultivate a sense of appreciation for the abundance in our lives. Stoicism teaches us to reflect daily on the things we are grateful for, whether it's our relationships, our health, or simply the beauty of the natural world. Finally, acceptance plays a crucial role in finding contentment in the digital age. Stoicism teaches us to accept things as they are, recognizing that comparing ourselves to others or seeking validation through social media is ultimately futile. By embracing acceptance, we can free ourselves from the cycle of digital comparison and find peace in the present moment. Overall, cultivating contentment requires a shift in mindset and daily practice. By embracing self-sufficiency, gratitude, and acceptance, we can find fulfillment amidst the noise of digital comparison and live more meaningful and fulfilling lives, both online and offline. Now that you've learned the powerful strategies of Stoic philosophy for navigating the digital age with grace and resilience, it's time to take action and implement these principles in your own life. Start by choosing one technique discussed in this video that resonates with you the most, whether it's mastering perception, prioritizing real-world interactions, or fostering resilience in the face of digital distractions. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future videos exploring the intersection of philosophy and personal development. Together, we can continue to unlock the secrets to a more fulfilling and intentional life in the digital age. So take action today and start your journey toward a more balanced and purposeful existence.